Your carrier estimate may seem confusing, but we're here to help. Remember, your only out-of-pocket expense is your deductible, or the amount you agreed to pay when you purchased your policy. Note, it's not only important to pay your deductible, but also to keep your receipt. Not doing so could land you in trouble. Locate the RCV or replacement cost value total. This is the total cost in the adjuster's opinion for your restoration. Your experienced contractor will review and identify any missing or incorrect items, providing you a revised estimate based on proper construction practices and code requirements to return your property to the same or better condition than before. In an ideal world, the carrier would issue you a check for RCV. However, that's not how it works. Your carrier will hold depreciation or the amount your materials were valued at the time of your loss due to age. You will be issued payment for the remaining balance less your deductible or ACV, actual cash value. Once the work is substantially complete, you may request the release of your depreciation. Unseen or consequential damages may result in increased costs. Your contractor is entitled to these increased costs and will provide you with a supplement invoice for you to forward to your carrier to pay these costs on your behalf. Your only out-of-pocket cost will be your deductible, plus any upgrades you may have opted for, even though your RCV may increase. Remember to always select a qualified local roofing contractor.